Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and getting the console ready. First, power off the Ps5 completely and connect your controller via USB. This prevents input drops in safe mode. Next, backup saves to the cloud or export them to a USB drive so you can restore if needed. Once done, open notifications and downloads to note file names flagged as corrupted. This lets you target deletions precisely instead of removing whole games unnecessarily. You now find and remove the damaged data. Go to Settings, then Storage, and inspect installed games and saved data. Match the names you noted earlier. Select the specific corrupted file, press Options, and choose Delete or Clear Saved Data. This removes just the broken piece, keeping everything else intact. If the system blocks deletion, reboot into safe mode and run Rebuild Database to fix file table issues. Then retry deletion. This resolves many permission or You finish by restoring functionality and checking integrity. Reinstall any games or apps you removed from library or using the game disk. Make sure downloads complete without errors. Then restore saved data from your cloud or USB backup and verify the game boots past menus. If crashes persist, try another Rebuild Database, then safe mode cache clearing. As a last resort, initialize Ps5 to reinstall system software. Use this only after backups, because it wipes user data and resolves deep corruption issues when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.